The expanse.
It's immeasurable.
The feelings that it evokes just being here.
Just the savage beauty.
The unseen, the unknown, and the hidden stories.
A religious experience.
The scale.
The remoteness.
The magnitude.
It's incredible.
To be this close to wildlife.
I never thought they were that big.
I could watch them all day.
To be out here in this environment,
Doesn't get much better than this.
you can't even imagine the beauty.
It's pretty overwhelming all the way through.
More people need to see this.
Trip of a lifetime.
An experience that I don't know if we'll ever have again.
Someplace very few people get to experience.
This has been by far the absolute best.
You only live once and you don't know when your day is coming.